Hello everyone, today I'm diving into something that's not just about comfort but also style. I've got the YODOLLA Executive Office Chair here. I can't wait to unbox and review this slick addition to any workspace. I'm G Vader, welcome to the show GV Tech, let's get to it. The YODOLLA Executive Chair is a versatile sitting solution designed for both home and office settings. Featuring a high-rocking backrest, built-in lumbar support, smooth wheels, swivel functionality, and adjustable height, it offers a range of features to ensure comfort and adaptability. Unpacking the chair was a breeze. It arrived securely packed with all the parts and tools needed for assembly. With clear instructions and user-friendly components, setting it up took no time. I'd rate the assembly a 2.5 out of 5 in difficulty, making it simple for anyone to put together. The swivel is smooth, and the adjustable height is a great feature that allows customization according to your workspace. The rocking backrest feature is perfect for those much needed midday stretches and for moments when you need to take a break without leaving your desk. The lumbar support is a definite win for maintaining good posture during long work sessions, and the leather material feels premium. So, in conclusion, the YODOLLA Executive Office Chair is a great product for its price category of £129. It's stylish, comfortable, and offers great support. Whether you're working from home or in a corporate setting, this chair is a solid choice. I must say, I'm impressed. Hello guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for all the support in 2023. I look forward to a fruitful 2024. Until my next video, happy holidays and take care.